cleaning the air you breathe since 1980. 45 years of furnace and duct cleaning.
Hi everybody, my name's Adam Oldfield. I'm the president of Vacu-Man Furnace and Duct Cleaning. I'm also the son of the founder of our company that started way back in 1980. Yeah, that's 45 years. Doesn't age me very well, but this is our website to give you a quick overview of who we are and what we do, furnace, duct cleaning, as well as dryer vent cleaning. And why I'm making this video is to tell you about a new feature of which will make it more convenient for you to see the work that we do. We've always provided before and after photos. We've sent an email, they'll come attached, but our new feature now comes with after we finish the job, we'll give you a sticker similar to what you see on the screen. It comes with a QR code. The QR code is unique because it will link directly into a portal page that you can see the work of which we did. So now you'll be able to easily see the before photos. You'll be able to see the after photos. In addition to this, you can now also see who was on the job as well as the next service date we should be arriving. You'll also have the option of a button, then there may be two, of where you can see a certificate of completion. We actually provide a certificate that completes the job, that you will receive a documentation of when we were there, when we completed it, and when your next service date will be. You'll also see under the history all the times we have arrived and done work at your location. So if you want to remember, is it time to get it done or should you do it? You can then scan the code easily on your furnace and it will give you a quick history as to when we were there and if you wanted to book again. There's some safety tips as well and some preventative actions that you can take, but this key thing gives you a quick overview. There's nothing private or confidential about your information. It's your home. It's just your before and afters of the furnace, duct system, and dryer vent system. If we do dryer vent, you'll have a second certificate that you'll be able to see that we've been able to complete your actual dryer vents. Again, comes with the history of the work we've done when we were there last. And if there's a video will also be provided that you could click. And if you're ready to call us, click the button and let us know. When we've completed the job as well, you'll receive an email in addition that gives you all the capabilities of being able to find your work, your portal, and see the sticker if necessary to scan. So it's not just scanning it, you'll get an email for completion and certifying that we have done the job. Thank you so much for being a customer for us. We haven't been around 45 years without your support and help. And we're looking forward to continue that legacy of helping you clean your furnace and your duct system and dryer vents moving forward. Thanks again. My name's Adam Oldfield. Looking forward to serving you.